Contract formation. Knowledge of the legal requirements for a valid contract, including offer, acceptance, and consideration. Secure your contract. Achieving smooth dispute resolution through knowledge and understanding. What steps can be taken to ensure that these issues are properly addressed during contract formation? Hello and welcome to this video on dispute resolution in contract formation. In this video, we'll be discussing the importance of securing your contractual agreement with the right knowledge, specifically about offer, acceptance, and consideration. We'll also be exploring the steps that can be taken to ensure that these issues are properly addressed during contract formation to achieve smooth dispute resolution through knowledge and understanding. Let's begin by discussing the legal requirements for a valid contract. It's crucial for individuals involved in contract formation to have a clear understanding of the legal requirements for a valid contract, such as offer, acceptance, and consideration. Misunderstandings in these areas can lead to disputes and potentially invalidate the contract. So, it's important to ensure that all parties involved understand the legal requirements and are on the same page. Another important issue is knowing the contract terms and conditions. The parties involved in contract formation should have a clear understanding of the terms and conditions of the contract, including any limitations, exclusions, or warranties. Misunderstandings or disputes regarding these terms can lead to legal action. Therefore, it's essential to ensure that everyone involved understands the contract's terms and conditions. Communication and documentation are also crucial. Effective communication and proper documentation of the contract terms and conditions can help avoid disputes. Parties should ensure that all parties involved have a clear understanding of the terms of the contract and that it is documented in writing. This helps to avoid misunderstandings and disputes by ensuring that everyone has the same information. Performance and enforcement are other important issues. The parties involved in contract formation should clearly understand the expectations for performance and the consequences of non-performance, as well as any enforcement mechanisms included in the contract. This can help avoid disputes by ensuring that everyone understands their obligations and what will happen if they fail to meet those obligations. Finally, the parties involved in contract formation should consider the use of alternative dispute resolution methods, such as mediation or arbitration, in the event of a dispute. This can help resolve disputes more quickly and efficiently, without costly and time-consuming litigation. In summary, it's crucial for individuals involved in contract formation to have a clear understanding of the legal requirements for a valid contract, the terms and conditions of the contract, effective communication and documentation, performance and enforcement, and alternative dispute resolution methods. By taking the necessary steps to ensure that these issues are properly addressed during contract formation, you can achieve smooth dispute resolution through knowledge and understanding. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.